I'm going to be showing you how to check history on Safari after deleted. So once Safari history is deleted on an iPhone, it is generally not recoverable without resorting to specialized software or data recovery methods. However, you can potentially view some remnants of deleted history through the advanced settings in Safari. So this includes checking website data, which can show cookies and cached information associated with visited sites. Just open your settings, choose setting, and search for Safari. Just go ahead and tap on Safari. Now just scroll all the way down, and right at the bottom you can find advanced. After you're here, you just need to tap on website data. So in here you'll see a list of websites, and this may include some information about websites you visited after deleting your history. So you can find them even if you deleted them. So just tap on show all sites and you can revisit your history. So there you go. That's how you check history on Safari after deleted. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.